Dogecoin, Dogecoin, Dogecoin. That seems to be the talk around the internet nowadays, and there are no signs of this trend stopping anytime soon. Whether you're in the stock market or any other financial market for that matter, by now you should be very aware of how the cryptocurrency Dogecoin is behaving. To simplify matters, the token is looking brighter by the day, and a few analysts are optimistic that the currency will reach $10,000 in the coming years. Yes, it sounds a bit far-fetched for the most part, but stick with us to find out exactly how this is possible. Welcome back to Crypto Lion. Join us today as we look at how this currency might enter the 10,000s sooner than expected and how this is actually possible despite the circumstances. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget, you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now, you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Now, before we explain how this is possible, firstly, we need to give a bit of context for those new to the channel to have a better glimpse and understanding of the situation. To put this in basic terms, Dogecoin, which was labeled as the joke of all cryptocurrencies, has gained much respect from crucial investors, one of which is a staple here on the channel, our favorite futurist, billionaire Elon Musk. So, getting approval from such high-profile figures, including others such as Mark Cuban, has really propelled the value of the token to unthinkable heights. Imagine turning something from nothing to being worth about roughly 40 cents a token. Now, a number of factors are strongly stabilizing the currency, and we're going to see a breakout in the coming months. We're going to discuss what analysts have to say about the currency reaching $10,000 in the future, and also give our own opinions and predictions in regards to this, so let's get right into it. According to a variety of sources, the recent Elon Musk tweets indicating how he has, unfortunately, sort of cut ties with Bitcoin will influence heavily to this notion we're discussing. Yes, it's a bit ironic how all this happened, but when he mentioned or rather announced that his company Tesla would not be taking Bitcoin as a form of payment for their electric vehicles, the market quickly reacted, and as you might have heard in the news, it has gone down in value by a staggering $20,000, forcing many investors to consider dumping their holdings since it seemed to be heading downstream and at a rapid rate. Analysis shows this move might have had positive market-shifting implications for Dogecoin, and hence, if Tesla, a $600 billion company, chooses to invest in Dogecoin, the prices could soar to great heights, and some believe it could reach $10,000. Since Dogecoin is a coin of the people, it's expected that this decision would be received well by the public. According to an article published by Forbes recently, it stated that the Dogecoin price had soared as Musk had flirted with accepting the meme-based Dogecoin as payment, promised to put a literal Dogecoin on the moon, and called the Dogecoin heated hot tub a great idea. Now, amid calls from Doge fans for Tesla to allow their cars to create Dogecoin tokens while they're charging, a process known as mining, a rival electric car company has revealed it's working on a car that can mine Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. The Dogecoin price has skyrocketed by over 15,000% over the last months. Musk crashed the cryptocurrency party this year with a $150 million bet on Bitcoin that sent the Bitcoin price sharply higher in February. Musk went on to allow Tesla customers to pay with Bitcoin before suddenly reversing the decision in the face of fierce criticism of Bitcoin's huge carbon footprint. Meanwhile, Musk has given considerable support to Dogecoin, a meme coin created as a joke back in 2013 that has languished without users or development over recent years, calling for developers to submit ideas for Dogecoin improvements and upgrades and helping Dogecoin break into the cryptocurrency top 5 by value. Many of Musk's fans have cheered his Dogecoin support as traders pile into Dogecoin in the hope Musk will continue to boost its price. Despite Musk previously saying all of his Dogecoin-related comments and tweets shouldn't be taken seriously. According to the same article on Forbes, the analysts also said you should have Doge mode in your Teslas, crypto investor David Gokhshtein told the Tesla CEO in response to Musk calling a hot tub that's heated by mining Dogecoin a great idea. Imagine the superchargers full of Teslas with free supercharger mining Doge 24/7, added another Twitter user, while a third said, Musk should make the Tesla mine Doge while you drive. So this might be looking positive, but other analysts have a different opinion, and a report by profsiscons.com also stated a slightly different turnout of things. According to the article, there's a high probability that Dogecoin will reach $1 per coin. $10 per coin is also likely within this decade. However, it's impossible that Dogecoin will ever get to 1,000 per coin. The article moves on to explain factors which might be very influential in its rise to $10,000, but the most important was the following commentary of the analysts. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin doesn't have a cap. In order to keep the network secure and operational, there's always an incentive of 5 billion coins per year for miners. By the end of 2030, there will be 180 billion Dogecoin in circulation. If Dogecoin reaches $1 valuation per token, the total market cap of Doge would be 180 billion. It's not that crazy high. There are currently around 18 million Bitcoins in circulation, and it has a market cap of about 900 billion. The second largest crypto, Ethereum, has a market cap of 200 billion. Similar to Dogecoin, Ethereum also doesn't have a cap. Over the years, Bitcoin and Ethereum have shown its strength and weaknesses. Nowadays, Bitcoin is considered as an asset, an investment vehicle to grow money. Therefore, people now buy Bitcoin and hold on to it. But this was before the market crash and might not be substantial. The transaction cost of Bitcoin is rising steadily. It's already prohibitively high enough to be useful for daily retail transactions. Ethereum's transaction fees are also high. On the other hand, Dogecoin has promisingly low transaction fees. Moreover, as there are 5 billion coins per year for miners, the Dogecoin transfer fee will remain low. Furthermore, Dogecoin transfer time is 10 times faster than Bitcoin, so there is tremendous growth potential for this coin. A market cap of 180 billion is not impossible, therefore $1 per Dogecoin is not a pipe dream. However, 1,000 per Dogecoin is unachievable. Let's explain. The US has a GDP of around $21 trillion, and China has approximately 15 trillion. If we sum up all the other countries' GDP, the total GDP would be about $87 trillion. For each dollar increase in Dogecoin price, the market cap would need to rise 180 billion. So for 1,000 per Dogecoin, the total market cap of Doge would be more than $180 trillion, 2 times that of the world's economy. It's absurd. Many people don't trust the US government. As Treasury printing money, the government adding debt recklessly, and inflation soaring, many are dissatisfied. They want a financial system that is independent of any government control. That's why over the years, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies became popular. Still, the regular currency has superior use cases and functionality over cryptocurrency. Wider acceptance, faster and easier transfer are just a few of them. Our whole economy revolves around traditional money. On the contrary, cryptocurrency is still in its infancy. Only a few people know about it, and it isn't widely accepted. It's also highly volatile. Nevertheless, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies have shown great potential. But still, it's not enough to replace the US dollar. There are hundreds of cryptocurrencies. Every coin has pros and cons. Therefore, it's tough to predict which one will become mainstream cryptocurrency. Even if a single crypto becomes the world's de facto crypto, still there's no possibility that Dogecoin will ever become more valuable than the whole world's GDP. It doesn't make any sense. From our experience with Bitcoin and Ethereum, we expect that Dogecoin will reach $1 because it has far more potential than Bitcoin. Even Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk believes that Dogecoin is underestimated. If you guys don't remember, Elon Musk is the founder of X.com, which later became PayPal. Therefore, he knows what he's talking about financially. However, Dogecoin will never reach $1,000 per coin, at least not with the way things are right now. What is our final verdict? Well, it's not clear right now, but if Tesla invests in Dogecoin the way it did in Bitcoin, which initiated its rise, then we are sure to see Dogecoin's price rise significantly. But a lot of factors will influence this, and there are a lot of things that need to be in perfect shape to make this possible. Feel free to leave your comments and opinions, and do you think it'll reach $10,000? It's up to you to decide if your pockets are up to the challenge. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and remember you can also support us on Patreon now. Or you can just join our free Discord group via the links in the description. As always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.